Hello, good morning all. How many are joined? Only 14. 15. We'll give to 1 more minute time. All the students expected to join soon. Join quickly. Still some more members have to respond. Is there any CR present here in this batch? Class representative. Number 215. A1215.
Sir.
So are you hearing my voice and visible to my video?
Yes, sir.
So can we start? Only 18. That means another 10 members are supposed to respond. Previously it was 100. Now it is 18. So your attendance is every day. Your attendance is supposed to be sent to the JNTU, Canada, and one more thing, JNTU is supposed to forward the same thing to the higher education department towards getting your Vidya Divana feedback, fees reimbursement. Mind it, why? Because if at all, if you don't maintain 75% attendance, your name is supposed to be removed from the Vidya Divana. So better don't get any kind of problems at the end. So instead of that, you must be regular to the classwork. So now 19 member also joined. So can we start the class?
Yes, sir.
So what is the last topic that was discussed yesterday in the previous class? Did I explain anything about arrays, stacks and queues?
No, sir.
What actually array means, what actually a stack means? It was not explained. Okay, good. Then let me share something. So this is the arrays. Anyway, we are supposed to be familiar with arrays. Array is nothing but a collection of similar data elements, and all the data elements in a particular array contains same data type. So anyway, you people have practiced arrays as part of your 1-2. Yes or no? Hello? Number 98.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. This I am sharing screen. Are you observing this? This arrays? This text is visible to you? Say yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So type, name of size, that is type is data type, what data type it is, that is int, and what is the name of the array, that is marks, and what is the size of the array, that is 10. So how many positions are available here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 10. So what is the last positions array description, that is maximum -1, that is ఎంత ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ నెంబర్ marks of 9. What is the maximum size? That is 10. So 10 minus 1, that is marks of 9 will holds the 10th element of the array. Is it clear up to this? Say yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Can you stretch or can you increment? Stretch in the sense, can you increment the size of the array while running the program? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No. Can you decrease the size of the array while running the program? No. So
No, sir.
arrays of, that's why we can call it as arrays of fixed size. Okay. So ఎప్పుడు ఇది ఫిక్స్డ్ సైజ్ లో ఉంటుంది. ఇన్సర్షన్స్ అండ్ డిలీషన్స్ ఆఫ్ కెన్ బి ప్రాబ్లమాటిక్ ఎలిమెంట్స్. ఎందుకంటే బికాస్ సపోజ్ we deleted 1, 2, 3 are the 3. Who drawing this? Suppose the first element is positioned here in marks 0. Suppose we deleted this element, can you able to add a new element to the array? it is not possible. Only it is possible once you shift all the elements to the leftmost part and then vacate this position, then only you can add an element. So shifting all the elements towards inserting one new element, towards shifting all the elements to left by 9 positions, that is difficult. Okay. Whereas insertion and deletion of elements can be problematic because of shifting of all elements from their positions. Okay. The next topic is linked list. Anyway, I will show you linked list in the form of your notes. Next is stack. Yesterday, I think the day before yesterday, I briefly discussed about stacks.
Up to stacks is over, sir.
Yeah, okay, but I haven't seen on the time, at that moment, I haven't shown this visualization. One sec. Yeah. Now, can you see this? Can you see this? This screen
No,
is
sir.
the screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no? Say loudly, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay. So stack is a data structure in which stacks are implemented using arrays, in which elements are inserted and deleted from one end. And that end is called as top end. Top end అని ఒకటి కాల్ చేస్తాం. Just like a elements we are supposed to place it in a briefcase. ఒక briefcase లో పెట్టాలంటే the first element is supposed to be placed at the bottom and the last element will be placed at the top. While removing a particular element from the stack, which particular element is supposed to come out? The topmost element. And then is it clear? Just like that, array lo, so array was initiated with the 30 elements. 29th will be the max size minus 1. That's why it holds 30 elements, 15 here and 15 here. And top points to the first position, that is 0th position of the array. Suppose if I want to add an element into the stack, like 11 అనేది ఇక్కడ type చేశాను. Can you visible? Is it visible to you? Babu, ఒకళ్ళు respond అవ్వండి. Is it visible to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes. So for any kind of data structure, usually we perform 3 different operations. One is push and the other one is pop. Push is nothing but inserting an element. Inserting an element into the stack is nothing but push. Clear? And deleting an element from the stack is pop. Push and pop these are the 2 different operations which we are going to perform using stacks, push and pop. While you people are trying to empty the stack, that is clear stack. And if there are 2 more conditions which we are supposed to check, one is stack empty and the other one is stack full. Can you able to add an element when stack is full? Because it is implemented using arrays, can you able to add a new element when the stack is full? I'm asking you a question.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No. Can you able to delete an element from the stack when it is empty?
No, sir.
No.
No.
No,
So,
sir.
empty stack launch we cannot delete an element. Full stack loki we cannot add an element. Okay, is it clear up to this? Now I am trying
Yes,
to
sir.
add an element that is 11 into the stack that is with a 30 size. Okay. Now top is points to 0. Wherever top points, you are supposed to add an element into the stack. ఎక్కడ టాప్ అయితే టాప్ 0 చూపిస్తుందో అక్కడే యాడ్ చేయగలం. వన్స్ టాప్ ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ వచ్చింది అనుకో, టాప్ అప్పుడు ఎక్కడ చూపిస్తుంది? ఇక్కడ ఒక ఎలిమెంట్ వచ్చిందా, నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ ఎక్కడ, వేర్ టు ప్లేస్ ద నెక్స్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్?
One, sir.
లోకి వస్తుంది. ఇప్పుడు అదే ఇక్కడ అబ్జర్వ్ చేయండి. So now I am trying to add an element into the stack, that is I am applying the operation that is push. Ikkada I am gently pushing it. Now see, element 11 was added here into the stack and top position was changed. Top position was changed. ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళింది? top
Two,
points
sir.
second element position but array of 1 antena. Array of 1
Yep.
means nothing but second position in the
Second
array.
position.
Okay, so 11 was occupied by 0th position, that is first position of the array of 0, and now top points to 1. Now I am adding one more element 22 where it occupies. మాట్లాడాలి.
1 sir,
Second
first
position,
position.
ఇక్కడికి
Array of
వస్తుంది.
1.
ఇక్కడికి వస్తుంది అంతేనా. నెక్స్ట్ టాప్ ఇక్కడ వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్ చేంజ్ వీ కెన్ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్. వాట్ కైండ్ ఆఫ్
2
చేంజ్?
sir.
2 వస్తుంది. అదే జరుగుతుంది. జస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్ ఇట్. Element was placed here and top position was moved to the next position. Now add one more. Top was changed. Add one more. Add one more. Here I am adding one more element. Add one more. Now, if at all, if you want to add a new element, where to add? That is this position. Suppose you want to delete an element. While try to delete, so far we've been added for 6 different elements. If you try to delete an element from the stack, which particular element is supposed to come out first? A element వస్తుంది.
Array of 5 elements sir.
Array of
5th
5,
element.
that is
Last element.
last అంటే టాప్ మోస్ట్. లాస్ట్ అనకూడదు. What is the position? That is topmost position.
Topmost position.
So you incline
Topmost.
ఇలా horizontal ఉంది కదా, think it in the form of a vertical position. Vertical position లో చూస్తే array, what is the topmost element? That is 66. Which element is supposed to comes out first? 66 comes out first. Why? Because the top pointer points this one only. ఇవి remaining elements అంటే in between elements we cannot delete. In the case of a stack, only topmost element can be deleted. Are you clear? Now I try to do the operation, that is pop now. Which element comes out first? 66. 66 element
66,
who
sir.
placed in the topmost is comes out. Now I am pressing pop. Just see which element comes out first and top ఏమవుతుందో కూడా this observe the change here as well as here. Okay, now 66 is deleted. Now delete one more element. Again the 4 key. If at all, if you want to add a new element, you add here the position 4. But what is the topmost elements are deleted? 66 deleted first and 55 deleted first. Here, this is the one. Previously it is 66. Now it is popped value is 55. Now which element comes out first? Now comes out now.
44 sir.
44. Now I am performing once again and observe the change here and observe the change here. Top వల్ల ఏమవుతుందమ్మా అప్పుడు 3కి వచ్చేస్తుంది అంతేనా. Now observe it became 3 and popped value is 44. Now topmost element is 33. Delete once again. Delete once again and delete once again. Yes. Now can you able to perform pop once again?
No
Can you able
sir.
to perform? No. ఎందుకంటే because ఇంకోటి delete చేస్తే
Empty, sir.
top becomes 0 minus 1. Minus 1 value is supposed to be here, not here, somewhere here. And then the first element occupies only 0th position of the stack. Are you clear about arrays? Now, how arrays are implemented? Array implemented using arrays, stack implemented using arrays, and stack follows the data structure that is last in, first out, ante last in, LI, first out, FO, ante LIFO ane data structure ni follow avutadi. It is the scenario which is followed ante that is LIFO, last in, first out, and wherever we try to add an element, we can add the element where the top points. Top ఇక్కడ 0 చూపిస్తుంది కాబట్టి if at all if you want to add a new element, 111 is supposed to be occupied this 0 position. Next top pointer moves to next position. మళ్ళీ ఎక్కడ యాడ్ చేస్తామంటే 1 లోనే యాడ్ చేస్తాం. 222 I am adding like this. And while you people are try to delete an element, topmost element మాత్రమే తీస్తాం. Can you able to delete the bottommost element if already topmost element is present? 222 ఇక్కడ ఉన్నప్పుడు 111 can you able to delete?
No, sir.
No. Is it clear
No,
up
sir.
to? So this is briefing
Yes, sir.
about stacks. I will explain to you once we go to the class, regular class work వెళ్ళినప్పుడు. Then I am giving an introduction and I am visualizing. I am using this visualization only for the sake of better understanding. I think it is clear to you. Okay. Next topic is Q. I think in the previous class I explained you about Qs also. Did I explain you or I didn't? Chapali.
No, sir.
Don't define
No.
the definition, sir. Only the name of Q.
Okay, what actually a queue means? Generally, you people might be familiar with queues. Whenever you people are stands in the lines of getting a railway tickets or getting a cinema tickets, whatever be the kind of queue it is, the first person will be always in the beginning of the queue, and who enters last as a last person in the queue will be stands at the last. So here a queue was implemented using array implementation with a size of 15, and who the first position ultimately stands at 0 and last position ultimately stands at the 14th position. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
In number 59, just now you only unmuted, no?
Yes, sir.
You always be unmuted, one or two persons, you always be in unmuted. Whenever I raise a question, you just say whether it is known to you or not. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Number 15 also unmute, number 98 also unmute yourself, so that
Yes, sir.
we don't waste any much of time. Okay? And in queue, the data structures that are following is, and it follows a scenario like first in, first out. But whereas in the case of stacks, last in, first out.
First out.
ఎవరు లాస్ట్ వస్తారో అంటే ఎవరు టాప్ మోస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్ కింద ఉంటారో he will come out in the case of array, in the case of stack. But whereas in the case of queue, first in, first out, who comes first into the queue will be out first from the queue. అంతేగా జనరల్ గా జరిగింది. So this
Yes,
is
sir.
what the scenario we've been following outside. So whenever we are supposed to get a railway ticket, we stand in the queue first towards getting a ticket. Okay. So insertion, here also 3 kinds of operations we are supposed to perform. One is insertion, other one is deletion, and the other one is display or clear the queue. Display in the sense, after performing good number of operations like insertion and deletions, we are supposed to observe how many elements that are present in the array. So that is display. Here there is a notation previous in the stacks. The notation for insertion is push. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And deletion ki pop anvadam. So
Pop, sir.
push for insertion and pop for deletion. But here we use 2 different notations, NQ for insertion and DQ for deletion. అర్థమైందయ్యా? NQ for
Yes, sir.
insertion and DQ for deletion. DQ means comes out from the queue, and NQ is insert into the enable disable laga. Just like మనకు already enable disable అనేది we've been practicing very much in the recent times.
Yes, sir.
Just like enable disable, here NQ and DQs are available. So what is the initial position? When there is no person in the queue, there is one head and one tail. Head is nothing but the person who stands in the as a first person in the queue, and tail is who stands last in the queue. Last అతను tail అంటాం and first person ని head అంటాం. ఇంతవరకు clear?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Then now, when there is no person that is available in the queue, both head as well as tail points to the first position. అక్కడే ఎవరైతే ఫస్ట్ ఓన్లీ 1 person in the queue ఉన్నారు అనుకో, and that person becomes head as well as that person becomes tail. అంతేనా?
Yes, sir.
In a particular queue, only one person is available. One person stands in the queue. Then he becomes the first person as well as he becomes the last person. When he
Last
comes
person.
out from the queue, then queue becomes 0 or empty queue. అంతేనా? ఓన్లీ ఒక అతనే ఉన్నప్పుడు అతనే బయటకు వచ్చేస్తే he becomes
Empty.
1 minute. I'm getting a call from college. 1 minute. మాస్టర్ క్లాస్లో ఉన్నా మళ్ళీ చేయనా? ఏంటండి? నేను ఇప్పుడు 11:00 చేస్తా. చెప్పండి. క్లాస్లో. Okay, sorry for the break. Now I am entering till now it is clear to you.
Clear,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Now entering 111 as a element and I am pressing NQ here. Now head remains at 0 and tail we are adding where tail points. So tail points nunchi ఇప్పుడు new element is supposed to be entered here. So this position is nothing but the tail position. So
Tail
now
position.
enter one more element. Expect, just observe that the head position may not be changes. If there any change happens in the head position because the first person always at the zeroth
Zeroth
position.
position.
ఇతన్ని ఇంకా మనం డిలీట్ చేయలే. So far we are only adding. We added 111 in the zeroth position and 222 in the first position, and next positions,
First position.
next person, next inserted person's position is identified by tail 2. Now where to add the new element? Here. That is at
R
position.
position. Array 2, sir.
Yes. Now adding a new person, that is 333. Now tail position is changed. Tail position tells you that where the new element is supposed to be entered into the queue. Now we'll add 3 more elements and after that we'll try to delete. Okay. Now is it clear to you? I added
Yes, sir.
six different people into the queue and tail points to 6. Why? Because it is the new element to be added. First remains unchanges. Why? Because the first person in the queue is 111. Okay. Now I try to delete element from the queue. Which element is supposed to come out from the queue?
Zeroth position, sir.
The element
Triple
at
one, sir.
the element at 0th position, that is 111. Now observe. And what are the other changes we can expect? Oh, 111
Head
comes
becomes
out.
1, sir.
111 comes out. And is there any change in the head?
Head position.
No,
1,
sir.
sir. 1.
No.
0 to 1, sir.
No one ela antunnavamma cheppu. How come
And
Head becomes 1, sir.
now 111 comes out means who will be the first person in the queue? Remaining 5
First
people will be there.
222, sir.
అర్థం కాకపోయినా తప్పేం లేదు. ఇప్పుడు మళ్ళీ చెప్తున్నా. Once again I am giving a clarity about it. Now totally 6 persons are available in the queue initially. One person comes out who is standing at head 0 position. Once he comes out, who will be the next head? Who will be the first person of the queue? The person who holds
first position.
first position. That is 222 becomes the first position. అంతే కదా. మన ముందు లైన్లో ఎవరో ఉన్నారు, మన సెకండ్ పొజిషన్, వాడు బయటకు వచ్చాడు, అప్పుడు మనం ఏమవుతాం? వీఆర్ సపోజ్ టు బికమ్ ద ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్. ఇస్ ఇట్ రైట్? సో హెడ్ లో కూడా చేంజ్ వస్తుంది. ఏమని 1 అవుతుంది ఇది. Is there any change in the tail while deleting an element? No change.
Sir. Tail may not change.
Tail remains tail. అంతే అలాగే ఉంటుంది. Because tail incremented only when you people are adding a new element. Head incremented only when you people are deleting an element. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Delete చేసినప్పుడు హెడ్ మారుతుంది, ఇన్సర్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు టైల్ మారుతుంది.
Tail change అవుతుంది.
Tile change అవుతుంది. This is what the notation or the understanding we are supposed to have as part of queues. Now I am deleting. Just see what changes are happening. ఏమైంది? Head position change it to 1. Now who is the first person అంటే 222 is the first person.
First person.
222 is the first one.
Is there any change happened here? no change. What is the DQ value? That is 111. కనబడుతుందా? Now try to delete one more element. Marinda, can you expect
sir.
this?
Yes, sir.
Now head becomes, that means first person in the queue become 333 and last remains same and DQ'd value is 222. Now I am performing once again. Are you following?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now I deleted once again. Now I deleted once again. And now the head value is remains at 5. This is the person, only one person now is available in the queue. Now he is supposed to be deleted and yes, you delete. Or if at all, if you want to add a new element, you can add it here. NQ. I am adding a new element like say 777. Where it is supposed to be added at in the previously 6th position చూపించింది కదా.
6th position.
And head becomes at 6th position. ఇప్పుడు ఎవరున్నారు? ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ ఓన్లీ ద వన్ అట్ 6th పొజిషన్. ఇదే కనబడుతుంది.
Position.
ఈజ్ ఇట్ క్లియర్? ఇంకా మోర్ డీటెయిల్డ్ గా when we are dealing with queues topic as part of unit 3 అనుకుంటా, most probably it is there as a unit 3. అక్కడ 3 different operations ఉంటాయి మేజర్ గా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద డేటా, వాట్ ఈస్ meant by queue అంటే queue is a data structure in which definition చెప్తున్నా, in which the items are deleted from one end and deleted from other end. ఒకే రెండు ఐటమ్స్ ఇన్సర్ట్ చేస్తాం అంటే ఈ సైడ్ this way we are supposed to add 7, 8, 9, 10 like that and deleted from here. In the previous case added here and deleted here. So in a queue data structure, items are inserted from one end and deleted from the other end, whereas in the case of stacks, items are inserted and deleted from only one end, that is top end. Adi stack ki queue ki difference. I think you found it. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Next one is, we'll go to the topic that is linked list. In the last class, I think I haven't explained about linked list and all. So linked list, the biggest disadvantage in arrays, implementing arrays, stacks and queues is, avani items are arranged in the sequential order. Can you able to delete or add an item in between the array? Is it possible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Can you able to add a new element? No. Adding a new element between the array elements are not possible. Deleting the element between the array elements is not possible. But towards overcome the inefficiency of arrays and stacks and queues, linked list was proposed. So just observe the linked list definition. Can you see the material here? Can you see the material?
Yes,
linked list data structure.
Yes, sir.
So linked list is a data structure, linear data structure in which elements are not stored at continuous locations. Continue just like in arrays. అంటే A0 తర్వాత A1, A1 తర్వాత A2, A2 తర్వాత A3 like that may not be available. Linked list data structure may, when we are trying to add an element into the memory, like where all you people are storing your information, whenever you people are using your computer, like either it's a desktop or a laptop, you simply save somewhere or go for an option save. But how where this particular file was saved in the hard disk or RAM, do you have any idea? Does it follow a continuous memory locations? Suppose your RAM is size 32 GB or 64 GB, now 4G, 2 GB, 4 GB became the minimum. Does it start an array sequence? Like 0 to 100, one such data, and 101 to 200 some other data, like that, do you think?
No, sir.
No. In the storage of data, whatever the data that is generated by you is stored in the hard disk or the RAM by making use of linked list data structure. It cannot be at continuous locations like array. ఇంతవరకు క్లియరా మీకు ఎవ్రీబడి?
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Array లాగా కంటిన్యూస్ లొకేషన్స్ లో ఉండదు. ఫ్రమ్ A0 to A15 or A30 like that may not be there. It will be stored in the sorry, it will be stored in the memory wherever it finds the free spaces. Free space ఎక్కడ ఉంటే అక్కడ స్టోర్ చేస్తుంటుంది. Do you have anybody having any idea about defragmenter? A tool which is available in the Windows. Defragmenter, disk defragmenter. Have you used? If not, you simply tell no. I will
No,
tell you.
sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Disk defragmenter might be you people are having Windows 10 or Windows 8 operating systems on your laptops or desktops. And the disk defragmenter and search. So it shows you, it will be there in the tools, system tools. Again, just like a disk defragmenter, it arrange all the similar kinds of data at one place instead of storing at different locations. వేరే లొకేషన్స్ ఎక్కడ పడితే అక్కడ wherever free place ఉంటే అక్కడ స్టోర్ చేయకుండా, instead of that it will arrange all the similar kinds of data at one place. Suppose general ga me whenever you people are finding an element like all the kitchen material or kitchen utensils are you people are supposed to store in the kitchen or somewhere in the bedroom. ఎక్కడ పెడతారు? Suppose you
Kitchen
want to
materials, kitchen.
groceries are supposed to be stored in the kitchen itself, not in the bedroom. Do you agree for that?
Yes, sir.
Why? Because it is the material which is useful for kitchen, not for bedroom. So your wardrobe is where do you place your wardrobe? Like keeping your shirts, pants or clothes in the bedroom itself, not in the kitchen or bathroom somewhere or other room. Hall, do you place it in the hall? No, you are supposed to place it in the wardrobe itself. Why you are arranging? This is nothing but an arranging. You are arranging the similar kind of elements like your pant, shirts or sarees or whatever with the chudidars in the bedroom. There is a cupboard that is provided in the bedroom and you are arranging there at one particular area. Why? Because it is easy for us towards searching. Whenever you people are trying to search for an element like pant or shirt, you search only in the wardrobe, not in the kitchen and somewhere. Is it right? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So linked data structures ఏం చేస్తాయంటే initially it arranges all the data at free spaces that are available in the memory, but disk defragmenter does the function like the performance like it arranges all the similar kinds of data. Data may not be uniform. Data can be in different kinds of form. Data can be documents, data can be in images, data can be audio files, data can be video files. Good number of data forms are available. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Data can be many number of types. So all these integer data, character data, boolean data, you people are having good number of data types also. So similar kind of data no arrange cheyadaniki disk defragmenter. So anyway, that you can observe it from your system. Here, wherever the empty spaces that are available in the RAM, the linked list data structure, what it does is it arranges the data at empty places in the RAM, and how it picks and it uses two parts in a particular data element, and each data element is known as a node. Linked list is a combination of various nodes. Node anna ikkada kotta padam okati vaadutuna node. Each node contains two parts. One is data part and the other one is next part. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Linked list contains linked list is nothing but a combination of nodes, and each node contains two parts. One is data part and the other one is next part. What is the data part? Whatever the kind of data it is, character with character, integer with integer. What is the advantage of having this next part is it simply tells you what is the next node to node, this particular node 1. Suppose this is node 1, this is node 2, node 3, node 4, and node 1 యొక్క next node ఏంటంటే ఇది అని చెప్తుంది. అంటే this next address part contains b value here, or you can write 2 here. Suppose node 1 is this, write 2 here. That means it tells you this node is next to node 1. అర్థమైందయ్యా ఇక్కడ వరకు? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear, sir.
So node B is the value of the next node, data content, that is data part. And ikkade untundi
3 or C, sir.
either 3 or C.
C.
Here either D or
4 or D.
4 or D. What will be here? Suppose this is the last node of the list, then what will be here? It will show you null value. Null ఇక్కడ చూపిస్తున్నాం. అంటే null value which represents that there is no node next to node number 4. That means node next to node number 4 is, this is the last node. Is it clear? Towards identifying the last node of the linked list, if the address part of that particular node contains null value, then that becomes the last node of the list. And how to find the first node of the list? This is the first node, and a head pointer or a list pointer, either head a pointer or a list pointer points the, you can draw head here or you can draw from here also. So ఇక్కడ గాని draw చేస్తే head అనేది either head or list pointer points the first any particular node, and that particular node becomes the first node of the list. So what is the first node? This one. And what is the last node? This one. And these two nodes are called as intermediate nodes. Now it is a data structure in a linked list form with 4 different nodes, and A is the first node of the list and D is the last node of the list, and each node contains 2 parts. One is data part and the other one is next address part. With the help of next address part, we can aware that what is the next node to the present node. Suppose you are here, you want to know what is the next node to node A, then what is the address which was labeled here is supposed to be the next node. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And there are 3 different types of linked list. One is linear linked list or singular linked list. It is singular linked list. Because direction, you can observe the direction. A points to B and B points to C and C points to D and D to null. That means one way direction, that is left to right. That is one direction only. Avuna kada?
Yes, sir. One
So
direction.
if a particular address part only directs to one direction, then we can call it as a single linked list. మనం A నుంచి B కి వెళ్ళగలం, but we cannot traverse from B to A. Why? Because ఇక్కడ A యొక్క అడ్రస్ పార్ట్ లో ఓన్లీ B అని రాసిన తప్ప B యొక్క అడ్రస్